Hello children, welcome in Shruti's classroom. Today's subject, science. Today we are going to see eating habits of animals in lesson number 3. So let us start. Children, different animals have different food habits. They eat their food in different way. Different animals have different shapes of mouth, jaws and teeth. Depends on the food that an animal eats. Children, carnivorous animals have long, sharp and pointed front teeth to tear flesh. They also have strong grinding teeth to chew flesh and bones. Some examples are dog, cat, polar bear and tiger, etc. Children, do you know how herbivorous animals eat their food? Herbivorous animals have sharp, flat front teeth to cut the grass and leaves of plants. These animals also have strong and broad back teeth to chew their food. They swallow their food first and without chewing. While resting, they bring this back from stomach into their mouth and chew with grinding teeth. This process is known as chewing the cud. Children, tell me which animals eat their food like that way? Okay, I tell you. These are cow, buffalo and goat are examples of such animals. Next, children, some animals have very sharp front teeth which help them to break open nuts, seeds and fruits which they know. Means they bite their food repeatedly, and this type of teeth are known as gnawing teeth. Examples are rabbit, squirrel, mouse and porcupine, etc. Next, children, if you observe lizard and frog, how they eat their food. Lizard and frog have a long sticky tongue so that insects can stick to it easily and then they swallow them. But some animals such as snakes do not have biting or chewing teeth, so they swallow whole food. Children, next let us see some animals that suck their food. Children, all we like butterflies. We already know butterflies and honeybees are suck liquid part, that is nectar, from flowers. Means they have special and developed mouth part that help them to take liquid food by sucking. These animals do not have teeth. Examples of such animals are leech, mosquito and butterflies. Children, do you know mosquito and butterflies do not have tongue. They have special tube to suck their food, and this tube is called proboscis. Children, next let us see some next types of animals that lap up their food. Children, if you have pet animals in your home like cat, dog in your house, then observe these how they eat their food. If you observe carefully, you found that they drink water or milk with quick movement of their tongue. and this is called lapping. Examples of such animals are dog and cat. Means using their tongue movement they lap their food. Dog and cat lap their food using their tongue movement. So children, what we see today? Let's recap. First, carnivores have long and sharp pointed front teeth and strong grinding teeth to tear and chew flesh. Second, some animals have very sharp front teeth to know their food. Third, some animals swallow their food. Fourth, some animals suck their food. Fifth, some animals lap their food using quick movement of their tongue. At the end, children, now we know that sucking, gnawing, lapping, swallowing are some ways in which different animals eat their food. Children, I hope all of you have understood the concept. Next part of lesson we will see on next lecture. Till that time, bye bye, see you and thank you for watching my video.